The animation project is to show young people that they are not alone in their struggles and to raise awareness for mental health.
By making this animation project, it was showing people that anything they're going through is completely normal and there is people there to help you and there's always a solution to your issues.
Yeah, Listen to Me is a short film that grew out of conversations and workshops we did with the young people at YEPS around sort of the issues that are affecting them, well, daily, really.
Working with Jamie Custard was amazing. They come in to do the workshops with the young people, so that was fantastic because they build up a rapport with the young people.
It was about making something that kids didn't just relate to, but felt that that was how they saw the world, that's getting their thoughts, getting their experiences, and actually having them listened to.
The project has helped me a lot with confidence, not only myself, but in my ideas. Going forward, I think I want to do a lot more with this new confidence in helping people.
I'm really proud to be a part of that. I'm proud to be a part of this community and helping young people with their mental health, and it contributed to myself and my mental health.